We're live in the tech backfield today, breaking down a simple play to win back your Wi-Fi password on a Windows machine. Maybe you've got a new phone, a buddy over, or a tablet that's stuck on the bench. No password, no game. Let's fix that. You're at the desktop, ball on the 1-yard line. Hit that start button in the corner, then go straight to settings. Type it if you have to, no shame in the quick pass. Inside there, you're heading to Network and Internet. That's your home stadium for anything Wi-Fi. On the left, make sure you're on status, then look to the right for Network and Sharing Center. Click it, and boom, you're in the classic Windows view, seeing your current connection, your active Wi-Fi front and center. Next move, right beside Connections, you see your Wi-Fi name in blue, like a whiteout breaking free. Click it. That opens the Wi-Fi status window. Hit Wireless Properties, and now we're really calling plays at the line. Up top, click the Security tab. There it is, Network Security Key. That's the password, but it's hidden like a trick play. Check Show Characters, and the whole playbook appears. Write it down carefully, caps and symbols exact, and plug it into any device you trust, because this key opens your entire network. And just like that, the Wi-Fi mystery is benched and you're back on offense.